Good evening, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I hope that you all are happy and well at your homes during the crisis of coronavirus. And be safe, be healthy, and take care of yourself and your family also. And I also hope that you all are using your time in the fruitful and the useful and the productive things. Okay. So in the last video in the class 9 syllabus of the chapter the Russian Revolution, in the last chapter we had discussed about the basic and the most important topics of the Russian Revolution. Okay, basically we had discussed so many things in the chapter. Okay, we had uploaded two videos of the chapter, and in today we are discussing about the third video of this chapter and the third lecture of this chapter. This is a very interesting chapter, and basically there are so many topics in world history which are very important regarding to there are important topics to understand the basic ideas behind the rise of the Russian Revolution. Russian Revolution is one of the important topic which tells us about the famous revolution which occurred in Russia in the 1917. Okay, so basically in the last video we had discussed about the last topic, that was the First World War and the Russian Revolution. Okay, in which we had to understand, we had discussed about the effect of the First World War on the Russian Revolution. Basically, in that video, we had discussed that at that time, most of the Russian soldiers had gone to the war, and basically, as you know, that in the east, the war was fought on the two fronts, Eastern Front and the Western Front. In the Eastern Front's army faced large casualty with comparison to the Western Front, because in Eastern Front soldiers mostly fought directly with the armies, and in the Western Front they fought through the use of the trenches. Means कि वेस्टर्न साइड में क्या था, सोल्जर्स थे बंकर्स बना के लड़ रहे थे, लेकिन ईस्टर्न साइड में क्या था, बंकर्स बनाकर नहीं बल्कि डायरेक्टली सोल्जर्स का सामना कर रहे थे, जिसकी वजह से वो डायरेक्ट कैजुअलिटी वहाँ पे ज़्यादा हुई थी. तो बेसिकली इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द कैजुअलिटी ऑफ रशियन सोल्जर्स, देन द नंबर वाज वेरी हाई. ओके, देयर वर 7 million soldiers died of Russia in the First World War, and basically the army also destroyed the crops and the crops and the buildings of the Russia, due to which a large number of peoples became refugee in Russia in the 1970s. Okay, 1917. Okay, so basically these are all the things which First World War was all about. And let's discuss our today's topic, that is the February Revolution occurred in Russia in 1917 February. Okay, basically as you all know that at that time in 1917, due to the impact of the World War, basically at that time the year 1917 was very worst for Russia, due to which there were so many problems created in Russia. And in February, if we talk about February 1917, then we can say that in February 1917 basically there was a shortage of food, and essential food items were not so much in Russia. So due to that, the population of Russia, the peoples of Russia took to the streets, and at that time basically due to the deficiency of the food items or the essential food items in Russia, so basically all the workers, all the peoples and all the leaders of Russia surrounded the factories, and basically in one or two factories, basically in 50 factories in Russia, there was strike and lockdown, due to which all the other factories of the Russia was also under the lockdown and of strike. Okay, basically we talk about अगर हम रशिया के चीज़ों को देखते हैं, तो रशिया को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती थी एक नदी, दैट वाज नेवा रिवर. नेवा रिवर के ईस्ट में क्या थे, आपका वर्कर्स के घर थे, उनका फैक्ट्रीज थी, जितनी भी चीज़ें थी जहाँ पे वर्कर्स रहते थे, काम करते थे, वो सब ईस्टर्न साइड में था आपका. और वेस्टर्न साइड में क्या था आपका, जितने भी आपका रिवर्स, उस रिवर के लेफ्ट साइड में क्या था आपका, वहाँ पर बेसिकली आपका सारी जो अच्छी चीज़ें थी बेटे, वो बेसिकली इफ टॉक अबाउट विंटर पैलेस ऑफ रशिया. After that, apart from Winter Palace, okay, the buildings and the rich class, official class also lived in the western side or in the left side of the river. Okay, due to the effect of the lockdown occurred in Russia in 1917 and February 1917. So due to which all the workers came in support to support the strike. Okay, after that basically there was a huge strike on the Russia, and they also surrounded the Winter Palace and all the important official buildings, due to which the government, the monarchy or the king of the Russia, Tsar Nicholas II, started preparing to fight the demonstrators, and they they imposed the curfew in Russia, and due to which the population was dispersed, the peoples were dispersed in. But in 25 of February, mm, the king dismissed the Duma. मतलब उन्होंने क्या किया, संसद को भंग कर दिया. ड्यू टू विच संसद को भंग करने से क्या हुआ, ऑल द पीपल्स, ऑल द लीडर्स oppose this move, and due to which peoples are collected, it surrounded the areas of the Winter Palace. And at the time the king called out the army and police, but the army denied to open fire on the peoples. They support the peoples in getting the revolution of the Russia. So due to that, the army and the peoples, or army workers and socialist revolutionary together all became together to form the coalition and to start against the monarchical government. So after that basically due to the rise in the number of demonstrations, the military leaders, the military commanders of Tsar Nicholas II advised him to listen the demands of the demonstration or protesters. So due to which he stepped down from its position, and after that the politics of Russia has been taken by the provisional government. There is a provisional government set up in Russia in February 1917. Okay, after that basically, if we talk about in March 1917, then the situation was changed. After that the Russian government was work according to the guidelines, according to the principles of the liberals, industrialists and the landowners. Okay, basically there was provisional government who controlled by Alexander Kerensky. Okay, the prime minister of Russia at that time was Alexander Kerensky. Okay, so after that, due to these things, after that so many things had happened in Russia. In April 1917, Lenin came from Switzerland and presented his basically at that time Vladimir Lenin was at exile in Switzerland, and he came back in Russia in April 1917 and presented his proposal, which is also known as April Thesis. This is known as April Thesis because it is presented and proposed by Lenin in April. Okay, and the April Thesis is including the three demands of Vladimir Lenin, which includes that basically the withdrawal from the First World War, and the property of the peasant, the land should be transferred to the peasants, and the third demand was banks should be nationalized. Okay, so these were the three demands raised by Vladimir Lenin in their April Thesis to raise the demands against the provisional government of Russia. Okay, so after that basically we talk about, after that there were so many the restrictions from right to form association and right to strike was given to the protesters, and due to that trade unions were also established by Vladimir Lenin and also other the workers. So the rising of power, basically at that time the power the power of the Bolsheviks were increasing day by day. So due to that, the Alexander Kerensky government took hard steps to control the Bolsheviks. Okay, they took stern measures against the Bolshevik to control them, and after that basically the Vladimir Lenin also started to take over plan to capture the Russian government. Okay, so they started to different types of strategies, and in October 1917 they started protesting against the Russian government. In October, basically the Russian Revolution is of two types. Basically the one is February Revolution and the another one is October Revolution. February Revolution was in which the Mensheviks took the power, means Alexander Kerensky became the prime minister. In October Revolution, Vladimir Lenin took over the Russian government. Okay, so basically in October 1917, Russia, Vladimir Lenin with his party start preparing to capture to hold their dominance in the government, and they started preparing to fight against the Menshevik or Alexander Kerensky. They formed the Revolutionary Military Committee, Revolutionary Soldiers Committee to give guidance in the case of capturing the Russia. So they started to fighting against the Russian government. So in October 1917, they capture the power, okay, and they hold over all over Russia. Basically, they start preparing from 17 October, and it took implemented this concept. This whole plan was in October 25, 1917, in which he control all the parts of the Russia, and by November or December he also took control of the part of the Moscow or Petrograd. Okay, so the whole major part of the area was under control by the Bolsheviks in December 1917. Okay, so basically these were the things which were under the done by the Bolsheviks in October or November 1917. Okay, and after that there were so many changes introduced by the Lenin government in October. Basically, they introduced they also firstly they nationalized all the banks, and they had to transfer the property to the peasants class, and they called the peasants to acquire the property of the nobility, and they also introduced changes in the Russian uniforms. Okay, they also started to form the Russia in on one party states. They also basically at the time the Russian parliament does not had not support to the Lenin, so that's why he suspended the Duma, and basically he selected his own peoples, and he selected his own Russian Congress, and take the help of these peoples to gain her support. Okay, so basically after that these all the organization give support to Vladimir Lenin, and Lenin took changes in Russia, and basically he made certain changes in Russia. The banks would nationalize, and after that they basically at the time lands were transferred to the peasants, and workers would also control the factories. Okay, land should declare as the social property. Okay, and industries was also controlled by the government. Okay, and the new Russian dress was also introduced in the Russian army. Okay, they also made strong relations and peaceful relation with Germany. Okay, and after that, and basically there was so many changes in October done by Vladimir Lenin. Okay, so in this video we have discussed about these things, and in the basically I hope that you understand and get all the points. If you have any doubt regarding any topic, then you can ask me in the comment section, and also call my number. Okay, and in the next video we have covered 2 or 3 topics. Basically 2 or 3 more topics are left behind in this chapter, so which we will be discussed in the next video. Okay, and be safe, be healthy, be happy, and just take care of yourself and your family also. Bye.